You know, whatever, a little nightcap. Saturday, different though. What are you going to do to make people want to stay home and watch this?
That's true. That's true, man. As Zack Sabre Jr. defended his New Japan TV championship, as we now got Willow Nightingale coming out, man, showing out her new championship belt. Glad to see some gold around my girl's waist, man. Definitely got the potential. You know, still a little too happy-go-lucky, but you know, right now she's on top of the world, man. So you know, we'll let my girl shine and do what she do. Ain't gonna lie, it's a nice little belt there. I ain't gonna lie.
Yeah,
strong.
Willow,
not Willow. The Strong Women's Championship.
New Japan Strong, baby.
Leo Strong Women's.
Willow always uplifts my spirits. She's a. You could tell, man. You know, she's not fake, man. That's genuine happiness.
Oh, she having fun.
See her come out to the ring. She make me want to say, "Oh, shucky ducky, quack quack."
All right, the battle of big women. I like it.
Yeah.
I like it. All right, show your dominance. Come on, baby.
Yes, sir. Put some meat on them bones when you calling my phone.
Hey, ring a ding ding, y'all.
Yeah. LA Knight with the
Willow. Showing a little bit of aggressiveness. Slapping that chest. Bow. Oh,
yeah.
Okay.
Too cold make them say, yeah.
Yeah. All right. Bow.
Oh, man. Yeah. Willow. Woo. How you doing?
Ooh, Willow. All right. It's like got some flexibility.
Flexibility. It's a possibility. When you Willow. Yeah. Forgive me, y'all. I'm tired, and I had a blue moon.
Oh man, I came with you. Oh man.
Ooh. Oh, Lord have mercy. Why they let us get a podcast, man?
Hey, because nobody told us no.
Oh man.
Oh wow, man. Wow.
And I forgot her name, man. Oh my God, not Willow. Who is the other lady that she's in the ring with? Oh my God, what is her name?
Oh, I don't know, but man, she is Emi Sakura.
Yeah, there we go.
I was just waiting for Excalibur. I know he Excalibur don't let me down.
Hey, you was waiting for Excalibur. I was waiting for Leo.
I was waiting for Excalibur, man. Emi Sakura. Yeah. But man, she just laid into Willow on the outside. But man, I'm not it's not a bad show. Like I said, man, it's 10:35. It's we working it in.
Yes, sir.
Wrestling has more than one royal family.
Oh.